American V8 engines were never about chasing high RPM. They were built for torque, durability, and raw mechanical force. But when factory limits were no longer enough, builders pushed these engines far beyond stock displacement. In this video, we explore legendary American V8 stroker engines that redefined what torque really means. Ford 410 stroker 1958 to 1976. The Ford 410 stroker is a popular FE-based build that combines classic Ford big block architecture with modern stroker technology. Typically built using a 390 FE block, the engine is enlarged by installing a longer stroke crankshaft, often derived from a 428 or aftermarket forged unit, pushing displacement to around 410 cubic inches. What makes the FE platform special is its deep skirt block design and robust bottom end, originally engineered for heavy-duty applications and NASCAR competition. In stroker form, the 410 FE delivers massive low-end torque while maintaining excellent high RPM stability when properly balanced. These engines are commonly found in Restomod Mustangs, Galaxies, Fairlanes, and vintage Ford trucks, with aluminum heads and modern cab profiles. Pontiac 462 stroker 1955 to 1981. The Pontiac 462 stroker is a torque-focused V8 build derived from the legendary Pontiac 455 engine, part of Pontiac's V8 lineup produced between 1955 and 1981. Unlike Chevrolet and Ford, Pontiac used a single basic block architecture for most of its V8 engines, meaning displacement changes were achieved through bore and stroke variations rather than entirely different blocks. The 462 stroker is typically created by overboring a 455 block to around 4.18 inches and combining it with a 4.25-inch stroke crankshaft. This configuration results in approximately 462 cubic inches of displacement and delivers immense low-end torque, often in the 580 to 650 pound-feet range. Horsepower output commonly falls between 500 and 600 horsepower, depending on cylinder heads, compression ratio, and camshaft selection. Chevrolet 632 stroker 1958 to 2001. The Chevrolet 632 stroker represents the extreme end of naturally aspirated American V8 performance. While Chevrolet big block engines were produced from 1958 to 2001, the 632 stroker exists purely as a modern aftermarket creation due to its massive size. It is built on specialized aftermarket blocks from manufacturers such as Dart or Brodix, as factory castings cannot safely handle this level of displacement and stress. Bore of around 4.60 inches combined with a massive 4.75-inch stroke, resulting in 632 cubic inches, or over 10.3 liters of displacement. Power outputs of 800 to over 1,000 horsepower are achievable, with torque figures often exceeding 900 pound-feet. Mopar 470 stroker 1958 to 1978. The Mopar 470 stroker is built from the Chrysler 440RB big block, produced between 1966 and 1978 as part of Mopar's big block engine family. The 440 was already known for its thick cylinder walls, strong cast iron construction, and excellent cooling characteristics. By increasing stroke to approximately 4.25 inches and using a bore around 4.35 inches, builders achieve 470 cubic inches of displacement. This stroker configuration emphasizes low-end torque and durability rather than high RPM. Typical street builds produce between 520 and 650 horsepower, with torque figures often exceeding 600 pound-feet. Mopar's shaft-mounted rocker arm system contributes to valve train stability, especially under high-load conditions. Historically, the 440-powered legendary muscle cars such as the Charger, Roadrunner, and Challenger. Strong torque at low RPM. Mopar 390 stroker 1964 to 2003. The Mopar 390 stroker is a high-performance small block build based on the 360 LA engine, which was produced from the early 1970s through the early 2000s. By increasing stroke to around 4.00 inches and using a bore of approximately 4.03 inches, builders reach about 390 cubic inches while retaining the compact dimensions of a small block. This engine offers an excellent balance between power and weight, producing between 450 and 550 horsepower with torque figures approaching 500 pound-feet. Compared to big block Mopars, the 390 stroker allows better weight distribution and improved handling in lighter vehicles. Oldsmobile 383 stroker 1949 to 1990. The Oldsmobile 383 stroker is an aftermarket V8 build derived from the Oldsmobile 350 engine, part of Oldsmobile's V8 lineup produced between 1949 and 1990. By increasing stroke to approximately 3.98 inches and retaining a bore near 4.06 inches, displacement is increased to 383 cubic inches. Oldsmobile engines are known for their smooth power delivery and strong torque characteristics. In stroker form, the 383 typically produces 430 to 520 horsepower with excellent low RPM response. While aftermarket support is more limited compared to Chevrolet, the uniqueness of the Oldsmobile platform makes this engine especially attractive for sleeper builds. High sleeper appeal. Pontiac 383, stroker 1955 to 1981. The Pontiac 383 stroker is built from the Pontiac 350 block, part of the Pontiac V8 family produced between 1955 and 1981. Using a longer 4.00-inch stroke crankshaft and a bore around 3.90 inches, displacement increases to approximately 383 cubic inches. This engine emphasizes drivability, reliability, and mid-range torque rather than extreme power figures. Typical builds produce 420 to 500 horsepower with strong throttle response. Because it places less stress on the block than larger Pontiac strokers, the 383 is often considered one of the most reliable Pontiac performance builds. Pontiac 505 stroker 1955 to 1981. The Pontiac 505 stroker is the most extreme displacement commonly built on the Pontiac platform. It is based on reinforced factory blocks or aftermarket castings derived from the Pontiac V8 architecture produced between 1955 and 1981. With bore sizes around 4.35 inches and stroke lengths up to 4.50 inches, displacement reaches approximately 505 cubic inches. This engine produces massive torque, often exceeding 700 pound-feet, with horsepower figures ranging from 650 to over 800 depending on configuration. Advanced cylinder heads and forged internals are mandatory due to the extreme stresses involved. The 505 stroker represents the ultimate evolution of Pontiac performance.